Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine, and this is the type of video that I have never made on my channel before, but there is a first time for everything. So by the end of this video you will know the answer to most frequent question on my channel, that is, are my nails real, and are those my real nails? Are my nails fake? Yada yada yada. I'm going to give you 100% honest answer, and I'm going to spill the tea on my nails and tell you if my nails are real or fake. So, dum 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 dum, my nails are 100% natural nails. Yes, these are my natural nails. I grew them myself. I shared my tips with you. I shared everything that I know about nails on my channel and more. And I share with my YouTube family so much, not just about nails, but about life and lifestyle in general. But this video is specifically made to just clear up any confusion, because I do get comments, for example, that, oh my god, of course your nails are so long when they're fake. No, they're not fake. My nails are 100% real nails. You can see on my channel so many videos of my nails, and you can see when my nails were short, you can see when they were medium, and you can see when they are long. You can see my different shapes, you can see round shapes that I had and everything like that. So yes, my nails are real, and I'm making this video to clear that up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sure that most of you knew the answer, that they are real, and I hope you have a great day. I will talk with you tomorrow in a new video. Bye!